Hi, I'm Jason from Dash Media, and in this video we'll be covering scheduling and publishing blog articles. So here you can see we're already on our blog, and we have one article which is currently unpublished. So I'm just going to open that article for editing. So here we have all the information for our article, and we can see that it's currently unpublished. So now I'm just going to go to the settings tab, which we haven't covered yet. So under here on the right hand side, we can see published on, published date, and unpublished date. So these are special date time fields that your website will use to keep track of when this article is published or when this article is going to be published, and also when we can automatically remove the article from the website. So let's just start with the first one. So at the moment it's blank, which means that the article isn't actually published. But if I go over to document and click this published checkbox, when I save, you'll notice that the website will automatically fill out the date and time to the current date and time, saying that this article was just published. So here we can see today's the 10th of the 10th, and it's 9:24. But maybe we want to create our articles in advance and then have them publish at a future time. So we can do that with this publish date field. So here, if I just select the date, and let's just say I want this to publish on Monday. So I can click that, and actually I think 9 o'clock's a good time. So we'll choose 9 AM on next Monday. And if I hit save, you'll notice that this published on field is actually going to be blank because the article's no longer published, but the website will publish it on Monday the 13th. And there we go. So now we come back to document just to check that. Published is unchecked, so this article is not actually available on our website, but as of the 13th at 9 AM, it will be. Now, the other thing we can do here is actually tell the website when to unpublish the article automatically. So let's say we only want this article up for a week. So we're publishing the article on Monday the 13th. So on Monday the 20th at 9 AM, there we go, 9 AM, we're going to tell the website to take the article down and unpublish it. And that'll just happen automatically. You can see we're currently unpublished. We don't have a published on date, but this is scheduled to be made available on Monday the 13th and taken down on Monday the 20th. So maybe we've changed our minds and we actually no longer want this article to be published next week. We want it available right now. So to do that, we first need to make sure that these fields that tell the website when to make this article available are empty. They'll actually override telling the website to make it available right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and clear off these unpublished dates as well. And so if I go back to the document tab and click published, and then come back to settings and hit save, we'll see published on now shows us today's date and the current time. The other thing we can do here is actually change the published on date to be a date that's already passed, so that when people come to the website, it says that it was actually published on a date other than the date that was automatically generated. So let's say we only just got around to publishing this article, but for some reason we want it to say that it was put on the website on Wednesday the 8th. So we can do that just by clicking that date here. And so now the published on date is on the 8th of the 10th, 2014. And let's pretend we want the website to say that it was published at lunchtime. So we can change that right here and hit save. Anybody viewing this article on our website will see that the article was actually published on the 8th of the 10th at 12 PM. For more training videos, visit dashmedia.com.au.